Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to share project on CapCut PC. Let's get started. First, CapCut PC does not have a built-in feature to directly share projects via email or link. All you need to do is to locate your project files. Open your project in CapCut PC and then go to the Details section to see where your project file is saved. You may also check with the VIA modifier by looking into your CapCut user data folder. Then copy the entire project folder, go to the location of the project file on your computer, and copy the full project folder. And make sure that you copy all the imported media used in the project. In CapCut, enable the Import Material option. This ensures that all videos, images, sounds, and more are stored inside the project folder. These materials will be located inside the same project folder. Then, send the copied project folder and materials to the person you want to share it with. You can also share the folder via email, Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, USB, or external drive. The other person can also place the folder in their CapCut user data directory and open the project in CapCut PC. And that's how you can share the CapCut PC projects manually. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.